Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I got a lawnmower here that I gotta fix. It's got some bad gas. You can see stuff floating in it. So I'm going to get this cleaned up and get it running. I'm gonna have to take it apart, get rid of the old gas, clean the carburetor, and then see if I can get this thing running. It's in very good shape. Oh wow, brand new blade on there. Wow, spotless underneath. Brand new blade. The blade's never been used. Very nice, wow. Very good machine. Okay, well, I'm going to get going at it. I'll get my tools ready and I'll share along as I bring this thing back to life. It's not running, which is most likely because of the bad gas. First thing I've done, got it up in the air so I can work on it more comfortably. I found out the sockets that I need. So I got to take off the gas tank. And these have a really simple slide-in rubber. There's a tube that goes into the intake of the engine, and there's a rubber gasket that slides in there. It's a very simple setup. So I'm going to set the socket with the nut so I know what I got. And I just had that other one in my hand. Where'd I put it? Half inch. Put it on there. This is all aluminum, so it's not torqued down hard. I don't like the feel of that breaking loose. Nothing's torqued down hard with aluminums. That's the great thing about working with small engines. Everything comes apart really easy. Okay, there's the retainer for the gas tank, big bolt. Now right here, I know you can't see it, it's hard to see, but there's a spring up on here that I need to slide out, and that is the, whoops, I dropped, okay, there it is. That is the tension for the throttle. Now this, okay, I'm going to see if you can get a better angle in here. Let me see if I can zoom in for you. It's bright out, and I'm sorry. I just took the linkage off, and I wasn't recording. I'm really upset. I can't see the display, so I had to take the air filter off, and then the linkage just goes in here. Alright, I just slipped it off. But I had to take the air filter off to get to it, and it's a dumb setup because the shroud's in the way. So you almost have to take everything apart to get to it. That's really not nice. There's a... oh. That's not cool. The tube that this connects to is plastic and decaying. Not good at all. I've never seen that before. Oh, bummer. That's not good at all. It's been broke. Seems like the rest is solid. I hope that's going to seal okay. If that goes in far enough. I hope that that's not going to be a problem. Yeah, okay. It's inside the carburetor. Okay. I've never seen that before. That's broken. Must have been impacted by something before. Okay, well there's that. I'm going to take this and clean it. Oh, my spring fell off. My tension spring clips on here. I'm going to put that in my toolbox. I'm going to take this and spray it with some carb cleaner and wipe it off with towels before I go on and remove the carburetor. So we'll be back in a minute. Okay, now just a matter of some carburetor cleaner and some paper towels, and I've cleaned it off, alright, before I get digging into there, okay? So I'm going to set it down here so you can see what I'm doing. And next I'm going to take off the 5 screws that hold that on. Also not very hard. Everything's aluminum, so it's not torqued down impossible. When you put this all back together again, you don't want to break anything, so you don't want to strip the threads or torque anything down hard. Tight, but not too tight. So I'm going to remove these screws. They're pretty long. Alright, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, now I can lift this out straight up. Oh. There's no pickup tube. That must be what I'm hearing inside. Okay. I hope I can get the pickup tube out of there. It's in there. Alright, I'm going to drain this out into a container so I can dispose of it properly later. And we'll be back in a minute. Okay, I got the pickup tube out of the gas tank. I've cleaned the gas tank round and round. It's beautiful. Alright, I'm letting it evaporate and dry out inside. I've cleaned the carburetor thoroughly. Just spraying it with carburetor cleaner and wiping it some more. No big deal. The problem I have is that the pickup tube won't stay in anymore. It's not staying in place. There's nothing wrong with the pickup tube. It's very clean actually, but it won't stay in place. So I'm probably going to have to order one. While I'm at it, I might end up buying a gasket as well. The gasket is only $1 or $2. And these little flaps here control the fuel flow. And the spring here. And if this goes bad, the carburetor doesn't work. So if I'm going to rebuild it right, I might as well do it all the way. So that means this is on hold. This engine would have never run. No way anyway. See, that's loose. There's no tension anymore. It's plastic and it has shrunk and dried up, although there's nothing else wrong. I think it would have run if I could have got that in there. But that's it for now. So this project goes off to the side. This was well maintained. The air cleaner is brand new and spotless. I mean, this was a very well maintained machine. It's very clean. But that pickup tube has to be replaced. So we'll talk to you guys later. That's it for this one for today. Well guys, that's it for today. Until I get the new part, I'll have to order that pickup tube. And that'll be here in a few days. So stay tuned for the final video. I might as well just order the gasket while I'm at it and replace that so I don't have to play any games with this thing. Make sure it's good. This is a very solid machine. I put the pickup tube and other parts in here, my spring. I just finger tight, put everything back together so I don't lose any screws. Less screws to lose, less problems. I left this open all day. It's totally dry. I'm going to put the gas cap back on so that I don't have any risk of getting any dirt in there. So the spring and the pickup tube is in a plastic bag. Now there's no risk of dirt getting inside. Okay. I also put the screws back in where they go to hold them in place so I don't lose them. So that anything gets jostled around, there's no risk of losing parts. Original spring and pickup tube. That'll go here on the top of the deck. And that's it for now. So watch for the final video, the second half of this repair job when I get the parts and I put this back together. And hopefully have a beautiful running machine. Well, thanks for watching. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, bringing an old lawnmower back to life. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Hit that bell icon and get notifications of updates.